Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to pay Atome using Ggives. So let's start. First, if you use Pay via Ggives dashboard, you can on your Ggives loan management page, you can view the breakdown of your dues and type pay for Ggives. Input the amount you want to repay and tap next, and then review the amount to be paid and select paid. Now, if you pay via bills, you can open the Gcash app and tap bills, choose financing Inc. Enter your correct loan account ID, select Ggives and specify the amount you want to repay. Tap Next, review the payment, and tap Confirm. Payments via Gcash bills will reflect within 3 business days. Pay via payments partners. Payments made through offline partners will be posted within 1 business day. To pay your Ggives dues through our partners, enter Fuse Fascinating Inc. as biller and for account, enter your details, payment partners, like this one, and account number, Ggives loan, and Gcash register mobile number. So that's how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you needed more help, also you can visit the Gcash Help Center and contact the customer service that is 24 hours 7 days per the week. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.